What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. This time I have a little different review. I just bought a Mercedes AMG, kind of upgraded from the one I used to have before. This one's really cool. It's a C43 AMG. It's a V6 bi-turbo. Really cool. It's a pretty nice car. But I'm gonna be doing a bunch of upgrades on it, like my last one. But this one I'm actually starting right from the beginning, like the last one where I already have started with everything, all the modifications on it. So this is one of the add-ons that I'm doing right now. It's just some side flares, mud guards if you call it, for the rear tires. I just got my car and all the back bumper is already kind of dirty from all the splashing that it does. So I'm gonna add these in the back so maybe could protect the bumper a little bit more. I'll install these right here. Just installing these with double-sided tape, like so. Pretty simple add-on, but I already ordered a bunch of real carbon fiber parts that I'm be installing soon. So stay tuned for those modifications. I'll be installing the flares. So all this was there, I kind of wiped it down, but I don't know if you can see that. The camera catches that. I'll be installing the flares here and then one on the other side. Catch you guys in a bit.